Hello all my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. Let me make sure this is not on mute. This is Val with This Is How You Do It, and I am making something like a lasagna. I've oiled my pans with some spray on. I've lined my pan with sliced potatoes. I made my favorite meat sauce. Any meat sauce you would like. It's a spaghetti meat sauce like kind of thing, and I'm gonna pour this on the bottom of my pan and layer it like you would do with any lasagna. Make sure it gets in the corners there. And the next step would be I'm gonna put a little greenery in it, like some spinach that I had cooked earlier. So I'm going to spoon up a little spinach. Give it a little veggie feel to it. Then cheese. I just have some shredded cheese here. And you continue to layer it all the way to the top, and you close it off with potatoes on top and then cheese on top of that. And you can use the rest of it for sandwiches or something like that. The rest of your meat sauce. That's 2 good meals that I've told you about in one video. And you can slice those potatoes up for French fries if you have some left over to go with your sandwiches. Go with the cheese. I'm going to have to shred me some more cheese, so I may cut this off to shred up some more cheese. Let me put it on pause here for a minute. So did that stop? Okay. I'm going to cover this with potatoes. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for about, I'll say 350. Let these potatoes cook real good. I'll say about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. But I'm going to keep a check on it to make sure that everything is going according to how I wanted it to go. I was trying to break this potato to put one in the middle here, but I guess I'll do it this way. Put one right there. One right there. See if I got another small one to put over here in this corner. Then I slice the cheese thin like this, y'all, just so I can go and cover it with some good cheese. You know what I mean? Nothing like cheese. Put a liner in the bottom of your stove so it won't melt all over your stove. So, or something that'll catch the drippage if there's any. Then I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. Bye bye now. In a few minutes. Okay, everybody, this is the results of the spinach casserole with potatoes. I guess that's what I would call it. And I invite you to try this recipe. And like I say, use the leftovers for sandwich and fries. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll get the next great cooking idea. And if you like this, please hit the like button. And I thank you so much for it. Bye-bye now.